Good morning, students. So from today, we are going to start our new book, and I hope that everyone got the book from the market because it's available now. This year, government has implemented NCERT syllabus. So for English, we have to study from this new book, that is Beehive. It is a textbook for 9th class. Now we'll go for the lesson number 1. So open your book and parallelly you have to read it with me. Clear? Now the main thing is this first chapter is about virtual classes. And that is, I think you all are having experience nowadays. Due to this COVID-19, it's not possible for us to teach you in the classes, and that's why we started this online classes. This is the virtual classes, and that is, this chapter shows us that in future, after 2 generations maybe, the student will do their studies in this virtual world. So what will be their experience, how they will learn, all these things are shown in this lesson. Now what is this virtual classes? When the study is done with the help of computers or on the internet. No real books, no real classrooms, everything is virtual. You have to read the books on your computer, on your mobile, on internet. So this lesson gives this information, what will happen then, how the children will think about the classes that we are attending today. Totally different. The experience, what we are having, that will be fun for them. And that is the heading of this lesson, the fun they had. They can imagine that how the children before 100 years, more than 100 years, how they were going to school, how they were enjoying, how they studied there in the classrooms and all that. Now open your books. Here the lesson number 1, the fun they had. And before you read, you have to look at this picture. See, they showed it through the diagram. When books and schools are we know now, them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? And the diagram below may give you some ideas. See what this picture shows. Learning through computers. A student is sitting in front of the computer and is learning through that. Then virtual classroom. See the classroom. All things are available in that classroom only. So that one room, that is at your home only. That one room is your school, your classroom. Then moving e-text. What is it, moving e-text? See, nowadays teachers are going to write on the blackboards, isn't it? We are explaining you on the blackboards. You have to write the things, notes from the blackboard. But in the future, everything is available on your computer screen only. You have to read it from there. No books, nothing. And then a robotic teacher. In the future, there are no teachers like us, human beings. No human beings teachers are there. only robotic teacher, that is technical teacher, they will teach you. Now, we'll start the lesson. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." See the date, 17th May 2157, the year. Presently we are in the year 2020. So this is the story of future. After how many years? You have to count it. It is more than 137, nearly approximately 137 years ahead. At that time, this imagination is that. At that time, the schooling is like this. So in the future, Margie, a girl, she used to write her daily diary. So in diary, she noted the date. Headed, that means on the page, on the upside you have to put the date. This is headed, ऊपर की तरफ. पहले हम date डालते हैं, then we started writing. So she headed the date, she wrote the date there, and that is 17th May 2157. And after that, what she wrote? After that, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." A real book. So books are imaginary for them because they will have, in future, they will have the books only on the computer screens, on the television, on internet. No printed books like today, what we are reading from now. It was a very old book. We can understand. So after 100 or more than 100 years, if this book will be kept for that, and after 100 years, how it will look. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So Margie's grandfather and his grandfather, see how many generations, they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. You have to pay attention that all the meanings of that hard words are given in the side. So crinkly with many folds or lines. क्या होता है, बहुत समय तक अगर कोई पेपर रखा जाए तो थोड़ा मुड़ जाता है, उसमें कुछ सिलवटें आती हैं. That is crinkly. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to. Still एक जगह पर जमा हुआ, स्थित रहना. Supposed to on a screen. So that is a surprise, something new for the Margie. क्योंकि उसने क्या देखा था, उसके कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर सारे वर्ड्स जो थे वो आगे बढ़ते जाया करते थे, पढ़ने के लिए वो मूव होते थे. और हमारी बुक में ऐसा नहीं होता. दे आर प्रिंटेड, वो वहीं पर हमेशा के लिए वहीं पर रहते हैं. सो इट्स स्टिल. एंड देन व्हेन दे टर्न्ड बैक टू द पेज बिफोर, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. What happens? हमारी बुक्स में हम पेज नंबर 6 पर पढ़ रहे हैं. अगर हम इसके पहले का पेज खोलें बिफोर, तो हमारे शब्द सारे वहीं पर रहेंगे. दे कांट मूव बिकॉज इट्स अ प्रिंटेड बुक. But in future, what will happen? They will have books only on the computer screen. तो वो मूव होते चले जाएंगे. And this is a wonder for मार्गी. उसे बहुत आश्चर्य हुआ कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि वो शब्द सारे वहीं के वहीं पर हैं, वो हिल भी नहीं रहे हैं और पेज पलटाने पर वो वहीं खड़े हैं. He said, Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. Tommy, the another character. ये बातें जो हो रही हैं, संवाद हो रहा है मार्गी और टॉमी के बीच में हो रहा है. सो टॉमी ने क्या कहा, हे कितना वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, ये बुक्स हम पढ़ने के बाद क्या करेंगे, उसे फेंक देंगे. थ्रो इट अवे. आई गेस our television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. What Tommy thought? टॉमी का कहना है मेरे कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर, मेरे टेलीविज़न पर मिलियंस ऑफ बुक्स, हज़ारों बुक्स हैं, मैं तो उन्हें कभी नहीं फेंकूंगा, वो वहीं रहेंगी मेरे पास. सेम विथ माइन, सेड मार्गी. हाँ, मेरे साथ भी वही है. शी वॉज 11. सो हु वॉज 11? मार्गी वॉज 11. मार्गी वॉज 11 years old and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. Now what is this telebooks? Telebooks that appear on your computer screen, that are stored, जो आपके कंप्यूटर में स्टोर की होती हैं, उन्हें टेलीबुक्स कहा जाता है, जो आप अपने कंप्यूटर पर पढ़ते हैं. नॉट लाइक दिस प्रिंटेड बुक्स. एंड मार्गी वॉज यंगर देन टॉमी, तो उसने बहुत सारी बुक्स नहीं देखी थी जितनी टॉमी के पास थी. टॉमी, ही वॉज 13 years. शी सेड, व्हाई डिड यू फाइंड इट? Where did you find it? Margie was surprised to see the printed book with Tommy in Tommy's hand. और बड़े आश्चर्य से उसने पूछा, अरे तुम्हें कहाँ मिली? In my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading. He was busy reading. क्योंकि वो अपने कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर रीड कर रहा था, पढ़ रहा था. उसने बिना नज़र हटाए जवाब दिया, मेरे घर में. कहाँ पर? इन द attic. In the attic. Now what is this attic? A space just below the roof used as a storeroom. हमारे घरों में हम बहुत सी जगह पर लॉफ्ट देखते हैं. लॉफ्ट कहा जाता है जो छत से थोड़े नीचे पर एक हिस्सा अंदर में गैप करके बनाया जाता है. दैट इज़ यूज एज स्टोर रूम. हम वहाँ पर अपना जो अनचाहा सामान या ऐसा कुछ सामान होता है जिसकी हमें डेली ज़रूरत नहीं होती, हम उस सामान को वहाँ पर स्टोर करते हैं. दैट इज़ attic. So Tommy got that book. He found that book in the attic. What's it about? मार्गी ने पूछा, किसके बारे में है? School. Margie was scornful. School. Surprisingly shouting, school. What's there to write about school? I hate school. अरे स्कूल के बारे में लिखने की क्या ज़रूरत है? क्या है उसमें ऐसा नया स्कूल के बारे में लिखा जाए? Margie hates school. Margie always hated school. Do you hate school? But now she hated it more than ever. पहले से ज़्यादा अब वो हेट करती है. Why? The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. Until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. See what happens. मार्गी की ज्योग्राफी टीचर उसे टेस्ट पर टेस्ट दिए जा रही थी और मार्गी के कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, वर्स एंड वर्स। वो उसमें और ज़्यादा गलत गलत सारा लिखे जा रही थी, उसका नतीजा बहुत बुरा हो रहा था। और देन उसकी मदर को बहुत चिंता होने लगी एंड सॉरोफुली देन व्हाट शी हैड डन, काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर के पास गई। He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. So all the things are like machines. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. See, now what is this apple? This apple is not a fruit. Apple is a gadget in which, like a tablet, in which Margie has to study. Then took the teacher apart. Took the teacher apart. अब उस एप्पल से टीचर को बाहर कैसे निकालेगा? Because a teacher was a robot. Robotic teachers are going to teach them. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. See, बच्चे क्या चाहते हैं? जब पढ़ाई करने का मन नहीं होता तो मार्गी ने क्या सोचा, काश कि ये काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर उस टीचर को वापस उस एप्पल में ना डाल सके। बट ही न्यू हाउ ऑल राइट, बट द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर वॉज वेरी स्मार्ट। उसे पता था कैसे अच्छा किया जाता है, हाउ टू सेट। एंड आफ्टर एन आवर और सो, 1 घंटे की मेहनत लगभग, दैट इट वॉज अगेन, उन्होंने सब कुछ सेट कर दिया। Large and black and ugly with a big screen, on which all the lessons were shown, जिस पर सारे lessons दिखाई दे रहे थे, and the questions were asked, जिस पर सारे questions भी लिखे हुए थे। Now Margie is able to study. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. Now slot is a given space, time और position। आपको एक जगह फिक्स दी जाती है जहाँ पर आपको अपना होमवर्क वहाँ पर फीड करना होता है। She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, यानी right from the beginning मार्गी ने उसी तरीके से पढ़ाई की थी। and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time, टीचर वहीं पर करेक्शन भी कर लेता था। The inspector had smiled after he was finished and petted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. बच्ची की गलती नहीं है। I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Geared, adjusted to a particular standard or level." उस बच्ची की एज के हिसाब से ज्योग्राफी की जो पढ़ाई थी वो लगभग कुछ ज़्यादा थी। I have slowed it. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. See, Margie's age is 11 years. So, the county inspector adjusted it up to 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. Why Margie was disappointed? Because Margie thought कि वो काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर जो है वो इसको ठीक ना कर पाए ताकि मुझे पढ़ाई ना करनी पड़े। But it was all right. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. टॉमी के कंप्यूटर में once it happens कि उसके हिस्ट्री सेक्शन जो था वो ब्लैंक आउट हो गया था, उस पर कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा था, सम टेक्निकल फॉल्ट वॉज देयर। तो उन्होंने उसके टीचर को 1 मंथ के लिए रिमूव किया और फिर एडजस्ट किया गया। सो टॉमी गॉट अ ब्रेक फॉर 1 मंथ एंड दैट्स व्हाट मागी ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्टेड, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसके साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ। सो शी सेड टू टॉमी, व्हाई वुड एनीवन राइट अबाउट स्कूल? और ये सारे एक्सपीरियंस ऐसे थे कि मार्गी वॉज hating school. She was hated school. And that's why she asked Tommy, स्कूल में ऐसा क्या है लिखने के लिए? Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. सोचिए, आज से 100-150 साल के बाद लोग क्या कहेंगे कि पुराने ज़माने में लोग इस तरह के स्कूलों में पढ़ाई किया करते थे। ये उनके लिए शायद बहुत आश्चर्य की बात होगी। एंड दैट्स व्हाट टॉमी टोल्ड कि hundreds years ago पुराने ज़माने में उनके स्कूल हमारे तरह नहीं हुआ करते थे। He added loftily in a superior way, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago, सदियों पहले. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. That's a surprise thing for her. They had a teacher, because Margie and Tommy don't have the teacher like us human teachers. They just learn from the computer, robotic teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. See, the regular teacher, that means हमारे जैसा रोबोटिक टीचर जो डेली एक फिक्स टाइम पर आकर पढ़ाता है, ऐसा टीचर नहीं था। उनके पास तो एक जीता जागता इंसानी टीचर था, हम जैसा। A man, how could a man be a teacher? अरे एक इंसान टीचर कैसे हो सकता है? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. वो बच्चों को सारी चीज़ें भी बताता था, उनसे क्वेश्चंस भी पूछता था और होमवर्क भी देता था। A man isn't smart enough. एक इंसान इतना स्मार्ट नहीं हो सकता। Sure he is. When Margie asked this to Tommy, मार्गी ने टॉमी से कहा था कि एक इंसान इतना स्मार्ट नहीं हो सकता। What Tommy answered? नहीं, a man he is. Sure he is. हो सकता है। My father knows as much as my teacher. मेरे पापा को उतनी सारी जानकारी है, उतना नॉलेज है जितना टीचर को है। He knows almost as much. I bet. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. Margie बहस नहीं कर पा रही थी। You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids were there. Now Tommy is explaining. तुम्हें नहीं पता, टीचर अपने ऐसे घरों में नहीं रहते थे, वो एक स्पेशल बिल्डिंग में रहते थे और सारे बच्चे वहीं पर पढ़ने जाया करते थे। And all the kids learned the same things. क्या सारे बच्चे एक ही तरह की चीज़ें पढ़ते थे? Sure, if they were the same age. अगर सेम एज के बच्चे थे तो एक तरह की चीज़ें ही पढ़ेंगे। बट माई मदर सेज अ टीचर हैज़ टू बी एडजस्टेड टू फिट द माइंड ऑफ ईच बॉय एंड गर्ल इट टीच एंड दैट ईच किड हैज़ टू बी टॉट डिफरेंटली। सी द डिफरेंस। प्रेजेंटली हम क्लास वाइज पढ़ाई करते हैं, isn't it? You all are a student of a particular class. The same syllabus is selected. The teacher teaches you all at the same time. But in the future, when the virtual classes will be there, individually all the children can be taught. हाउ इट्स पॉसिबल? क्योंकि कंप्यूटर में वही चीज़ें पढ़ाई जाती है जो हम उसमें फीड करते हैं, और उस बच्चे के एज के हिसाब से, उसके लेवल के हिसाब से उसमें सारी चीज़ें फीड की जाती हैं और वो उस तरीके से पढ़ाई करता है. दैट इज़ द डिफरेंस. Just the same, they didn't do it. That why then, if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. फिर आपको तो बुक पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. So this is the difference between the two timings, present time and in the future time. So the children, students, see, the lesson is a little big. We'll continue it in next class. And one thing I'm telling you, जितना पोर्शन आज एक्सप्लेन हुआ है, once you have to read it. आप जब तक रीडिंग नहीं करोगे आपको केवल सुनकर मतलब नहीं समझ में आएगा. आपने एक बार समझ लिया, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू यू, फॉर यू टू रीड द लेसन. Clear? So read it once and we'll continue it in the next class. Okay.